Big loss in forex trading. Well, I'm here to teach you on how to become a successful trader. If you're a beginner in forex trading, watch this video till the end of this video and you're going to learn a bit about forex trading, about how to make a massive profit in the forex market, even though your equity is little or big. Now, stay with me to the end of this video. But before you do, well, I'm gonna be sharing with you perfect strategy. I spent over 2 years learning this strategy, mastering this strategy for over 2 years, and I'm gonna be sharing with you for free in just few minutes. But before I do, well, I'd like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're watching from YouTube. Like, comment, share what you actually think about this video. Or if you're watching from TikTok, please like, comment, share this video to as many as you can, and don't forget to uh, comment what you actually think about this particular video. All right. Now, a few stuff that I need to share with you about forex trading. Forex trading is not really a place that you guys actually just come make money and go. It's not really a bet or anything not professional. All right. Before you go into forex trading, striving to make money in forex trading, you must know one or two things about forex trading, and you must acquire what they call discipline and also have a strategy that you go in with your particular forex trading. All right, but I will advise you guys, if you're a beginner in forex trading and you're still learning, well, I'm a professional trader. I will advise you to bring your account for me to manage it and make massive profit in the market, because as a beginner you will lose one or two equity in the market if you want to trade, and if you want to learn, you lose one or two to trade equity in order to become a successful trader. All right, you have to lose much possible before you become a successful trader. But if you have lost a lot of money, I could actually rise your money to massive profit in account management. All right. So if you are not a loser, maybe you're just looking for a perfect strategy to go. Well, I'm gonna be sharing with you everything you need to know about strategy and how to trade market in a very difficult task, just in my free Telegram channel. Well, in a way to join my free Telegram channel, if you're watching from YouTube, link to my bio, my description. I drop my link to my Telegram channel there, or you can actually get my links on my comment sections. Just go to my comment section. If you're watching from YouTube, that's the perfect place. You look for my link. Then if you're watching from TikTok, you can actually get my link from my bio. All right. Or you can actually message me direct message, or you can drop a comment and I can be able to message you direct and drop my links, my free Telegram links on your DM. But you have to be following me first before all these things will happen. So I'm going to be teaching you guys in that particular free Telegram channel on how to become a successful trader. And for those of you guys that is wondering, if I needed account management, how will I get you? How will I get the hold of you? Well, very simple. Just, if you're actually watching from YouTube, go to my comment section or my description, the link on my bio or my description. Then it will take you to my Telegram channel, free Telegram channel. Then you just have to DM the admin of my free Telegram channel. Then I will respond to you immediately. All right. Then bring your equity account. Go straight to the point. If you want to actually manage 1K dollars account, if you want to manage 2K dollars, if you actually bring in a $100 account, $50 account for account management, just say exactly how much account you are bringing, and we are going to make massive profit with you. All right. So how to become a successful trader is actually risk. First of all, nobody's going to teach you, because if I start telling you everything I know about forex trading, you still have to lose in a much way. So what I have to tell you right now is to bring your account for management in order to escape losing streak. But if you still want to go on your own, I'm going to be teaching you many things you need to do. But that will be done on my Telegram channel. So what are you waiting for? Go to my Telegram channel and start watching my videos, start watching my updates, and I'm actually going to be sharing free Telegram signals for those of you guys that is actually my free Telegram channel. I'm going to be sharing free Telegram channel, free Telegram signal, free Telegram channel for those of you to make money also in the forex trading without losing. All right. So what are you waiting for? Join us in our free Telegram channel and make massive profit, and also comment what you actually think about this video. If this video is actually helpful enough for you to become a successful trader, then like, comment, share this video to as many as you can. But I have one good advice for you guys. Don't go into forex trading if you know you're gonna cry with that little money, little equity account you've actually funded. Because forex trading is not a gambling, it's actually a thing of mind. You need to become a successful trader in your mind first before you become a successful trader in the market. All right, you need to master the strategies that requires for a profit to be earned in the market. If you don't have all those things, you need to stay away from trading because you are gonna lose. But the good news is, if you are losing, you are actually learning from the losing. But the bad news is, you are actually still gonna lose. So if you know what is actually good for you, stay away from trading. If you are actually afraid of losing, afraid of learning, then you can actually bring your account for people like us, professionals like us, to manage your account and make massive profit for you, not to risk anything. Just watch and learn. All right. So I'll be waiting for you in my comment sections or in my free Telegram channel, in my DM, for all of us to make massive profit in this particular ending of the year. So have a good day and have a nice day. I'll see you guys in my comment section. I will also see you guys in my free Telegram channel. So have a nice day and see you guys tomorrow. See you guys in my upper video. Like, don't forget to like, comment, share this video to as many as you can. And don't forget to follow for more. Like, punch into my subscribe button if you are watching from YouTube. Follow and actually comment what you actually think about this video. So have a nice day. I could have actually showed you guys how massively this profit went after this video, but that will only be shown in my free Telegram channel. So what are you waiting for? Join us and see everything you need to see about this particular video, or more of this particular video. So see you guys in my free Telegram channel or in my DM. Right? Have a nice day. Thank you.